Homerville after you had a little bit of rain earlier in the afternoon. We are seeing typical warm season activity driven by high levels of moisture, high pressure off to our east. That's giving us the south-southeast wind. We don't really have a big trigger except for maybe a little swirl of low pressure in the Mississippi Valley. That's where rain and thunderstorms are a bit more abundant. But we'll start to lose that feature and we'll start to decrease the moisture just a smidge. You walk outside in the morning, you probably won't notice that there won't be as much moisture in the atmosphere as there is now. But a little dip can make a difference in the distribution of the showers and storms for tomorrow. Still driven by heating and the onshore breeze, the sea breeze may help to pop some of those clouds, and we can see maybe a collision of different wind flows around the Swanee River. So there's some indications that maybe eastern areas have a better chance for rain compared to just about everybody almost at any time of day. So mostly daytime driven and less coverage. Doesn't mean that everybody will miss out on rain tomorrow, but the frequency will be much different. Fewer of these showers around, not coming through as often as they have been, and this can be a trend that goes into Wednesday and Thursday as well. So we'll pull back on the overall total coverage to about 40% of the region, which means 60% of us may not have any kind of rain at any time of day for tomorrow, Wednesday, or Thursday. And that is slightly different compared to the recent past. Our morning lows will be in the lower 70s area-wide, maybe a little bit warmer at the coast, and with more sunshine around, we can see 90s a little more prevalent, not just tomorrow, but I'd say for the next several days ahead. And you know, summer actually starts Friday night. And it'll certainly be feeling like summertime, especially during those afternoons, as forecast highs are more so in the mid-90s, influenced by a front nearby and building high pressure after the weekend.